Accurate measurement is the building block of development and engineering across industries and vital to safety, innovation and sustainability in aerospace, space and defence. Hexagon provides measurement technologies across the aerospace supply chain and has just announced an innovation partnership with EMEA. So, Sid, both civil and defence manufacturers such as EMEA are under pressure to ramp up production without lowering their quality standards. How is Hexagon supporting this?
Thank you for that question. I think OEMs like EMEA and many others are having the best and the challenging times at the same time. They are having a lot more backlog, they have a lot more production requirements, but are facing challenges throughout that production ramp up to make sure that quality is not compromised. And that's where Hexagon comes in. As you rightly mentioned, we are working with EMEA. We are partnering with them with our latest laser tracker and scanning technology to make sure that this is a topic within the production line and not a laboratory topic. Metrology is no more a laboratory topic, and we are making sure that within the production line, inspection becomes part of the process, so you can identify challenges much earlier in the process and make sure that productivity increases are achieved through early inspection in the process of production.
Now we've seen your humanoid Aeon robot at work in European industries. How are you now going to apply the automation and that kind of technology in the aerospace industry?
We are very excited about Aeon, and I think it's created a lot of buzz for us. The first use cases are already at the BMW plant in Leipzig, where we are using Aeons for already the battery production and assembly. But the use cases are going to exponentially increase, and also across industries, including aerospace and defense. Today, what we are seeing in aerospace and defense, with the requirement on production ramp up and productivity needs, more and more automation requirements are there across the inspection quality solutions. And therefore, what we are trying to do is to make sure that the customers get the solution that they need throughout that chain of automation, and making sure that our products are integrated with AMRs, integrated with robots, to make sure that the inspection can be as fast as possible without the intervention of a human. And that's not just a topic on the hardware, but also the software and the digital thread integration within the production is an equally important aspect of this, to make sure that that digital thread, that inspected part, has provided insights downstream and upstream to make insightful decisions to make sure that the production can be ramped up. So that's what we are trying to enable. We are getting more and more requests across the aerospace and defense industry to integrate our solutions within a robotic solution or within an AMR solution. And in addition to that, we are also having our standardized Presto cells, which are automated cells where we have our AS1 scanners integrated within a robotic solution, so parts can be independently and autonomously inspected. And that's definitely a big use case. But beyond that, we also have, as I was saying earlier with EMEA, we have announced about our ATS 800, which is our latest laser tracking and scanning technology, which means we can scan now a part from 40-meter distance with direct scanning. And that is being incorporated within the production line, completely automated. So that's the kind of solutions that we are seeing now from aerospace and defense, but I don't see how we will not eventually incorporate an Aeon in the future.
Now, you're also very large in the MRO side. So what sort of innovation are you seeing in MRO, and what's driving digitalization in the market?
Fantastic question. I mean, MROs have been very labor-intensive facilities in the past, right? And I think as more and more planes and more downtime is becoming a challenge for the operators, they are looking at how digitalization can help them speed up the processes. But the challenge on MRO sites is they don't necessarily have the metrology grade technicians on the field, right? So you need something that is fast to use, easy to operate, that can provide you the requirements that you have to inspect maybe a damage on a wing or multiple other requirements that you have on an MRO facility. And that's where our scanning technologies, which are easy to use, wireless, very easily handled by any operator, are being really getting a lot of traction. And we are making sure that that's fast, that's accurate, and that's easy to use within the MRO facility. So that digitalization thread within the MRO facilities means lower downtimes, faster inspection, faster decision making, and at the end of the day, it's more money for the aerospace and defense industry.
Thank you very much, Sid. So Hexagon's accurate measurement, digitalization and automation technology is supporting the future of aerospace. And you can see all the latest news from aviationweek.com.